Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a 5x5 square in Bloxburg kids bedroom build. So without further ado, I just want to get into the video. This is 7,000 I guess bucks in Bloxburg, and we're kind of just going to be decorating it and figuring out the outside. So first of all, let's go ahead and pick our color choices. I think I'm gonna stick to like this kind of seashell color, this light color, and a light blue. Maybe this pink. It's pretty bright though, so maybe a green, which is nice and bright, but only for details. So on the outside, I'm gonna go for seashell, and I'm gonna check what design I want for a wallpaper. Just looking at different designs, I think I might go for brick. So I honestly am not trying to like make myself feel weird, but I don't know, I just I don't know how to do the shift kind of click thing where like you press shift and then you just click the walls or whatever. Okay, so for the inside, let's do let's do these stripes, and then we'll just change the color. Let's go ahead and do it seashell. And we're also going to do that for this wall. And then for this, I want to do this color, and which is like, I think the pink orange, the pastel orange. Let's go ahead and do something maybe horizontal. I'm thinking I'm gonna go for that for the other walls. That looks good. Let's go ahead and add our door, like our big garage door frame. We're gonna do the really big one. We're gonna do the traditional one. Go ahead and go for that. Let's go ahead and make it pastel orange and a darker version. Then we're gonna go ahead and go for flooring. And feel free to go ahead and take some ideas from here. I honestly am not the best house builder. I can build really pretty rooms by themselves, like what I'm doing right now, but I am not good at making exterior house designs and the rooms on the inside, perfect walls or anything. It's just really hard for me. So I'm actually building a really cute floral bakery right now. It is a house build tutorial from YouTube. It's super cute. So that's what I'm basically working on. So this is what we have so far. I think I'm gonna try to see if I can make a platform, which I've actually never done. Oh, I can, that's so cool. Okay, let's go ahead and check. I'm thinking maybe we're gonna go higher. I'm thinking that's good, and then we're gonna go ahead and make a step. We're gonna go ahead and put like some details on that and stuff. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna do this. I also actually, I'm thinking maybe we can do paintings on the back wall. see if we can make it another cute wallpaper or the sidewalls. I'm thinking probably the sidewalls. First I need to find something cute and just change like the paintings. So I'll have to get those ready. And like a taupe. Okay, that's not what I was expecting. Okay, something like that. Don't mind, this is one of my other houses that I built. It was like my first, like my third house, so don't mind it. I do different builds pretty much now. I'm gonna go ahead. I looked up Quiet Animals wallpaper and I'm seeing, oh, that one's really cute, but we're gonna keep looking just to see. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for these bears. That one's kind of smushed. Okay, I don't like how it like is different though. So that's annoying. I want to see if I can like resize paintings. I don't think I can. Oh, I can. Wait, that's really good. Okay. Oh, oops. Dang, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay, so we're actually running out of money right now. Spent a lot already. We spent 2,000 already. And we're going to spend like a lot more here. So we just need one painting. And we're going to resize it. What? We can't. Okay, so like that's like the farthest it can go. Oops. Ugh, okay, it's annoying. Okay. Oh wait, that's actually pretty good, okay. So it fits perfectly over there. This is real good. So, oops, okay, I'll just copy in a second. So now let's go ahead and change those to the bear design. I think we're gonna have to upgrade for more money. Or we can do a part 2. So let's see if it's anywhere. Let's look up Kawaii Bear wallpaper. See if we have any others that we find. Oh, the We Bear Bears. That's cute. Yes, I know that cartoon. Okay. Here is the one that we did. Let's see. That one's pretty cute. It's more tame. I think we're gonna definitely go for this one. I think it looks so good. That looks really amazing with the other wallpaper. It pretty much matches. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and move those to the other side also. Okay, let's go away. Oh, yep, Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that later. We're gonna spend pretty much all of our money, I'm guessing. Okay, can't buy any of those. I just want a single bed. I want to try to make it as less pricey as possible. So I'm guessing maybe the single bed, the log one. I think that's cute. Let's go ahead and put it closer to the wall. And we will add a little nightstand table. I want to try to go for a log one also. Yep, okay. Here we go. Log end table. Let's go ahead and color those because I don't like that. We're going to go for a nice soft linen wood. But it's pretty much It's not gonna be wood, I'm guessing. Okay, it'll be this kind of wood. For this is like the pillow. So we're gonna go ahead and do white for that. For this we need to also do like a seashell. And then I wanted to do seashell for this, but I want to try to do this one. Oh yes, that's really cute. Let me see if there's any colors that kind of match the rainbow. No, kind of like the pink in the rainbow. What about the blue? It's like kind of like a brighter blue. Kind of matches. Alright, well, let's go ahead, stick to seashell. And then for this, we're going to go for white and